In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to import your PDF files into Photoshop so you can edit, manipulate, or place them into your existing design projects. Importing PDFs into Photoshop is a common task, but knowing the right method for your specific goal can save you a lot of time. Whether you need to open a full document or just need to place a specific page as a smart object, this guide covers it all. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest design tutorials. Let's dive straight into the first method, which is the most common way to open a PDF directly. Start by launching Photoshop on your computer. Go to the top menu bar and click on File, then select Open. From the prompted window, locate your PDF file on your hard drive and hit Open. An Import PDF dialog box will appear. Here, you have a choice of whether you want to select individual pages or extract the images located inside that document. Select the specific page you want to work with. If you are preparing this for print, make sure to set your resolution to 300 dpi to maintain high quality. Click OK, and Photoshop will open that page as a brand new, separate project document. Now, if you are currently working on a design and you want to pull a PDF into your existing project without starting from scratch, use the Place command. With your project open, head over to the File menu and choose Place Embedded or Place Linked. Selecting your PDF here allows you to choose exactly which page you need. Once you hit OK, the page will be added to your canvas as a smart object. This is fantastic because it allows you to resize, scale, or transform the PDF without losing any image quality. It remains crisp and clean. Adjust the size however you need it and simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to commit the placement. Finally, the third and fastest method is as simple as it gets. You can take your PDF file from your desktop or your folder and just drag and drop it directly into the open Photoshop workspace window. Photoshop will automatically detect the file type and pop open that same Import PDF dialog box, letting you choose your settings instantly. Whether you want to open a document standalone or embed it into a professional layout, these three methods give you total control. Remember to check your DPI settings if you are working for high-quality print. If this tutorial helped you get your files into Photoshop, please hit that like and subscribe button as it really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching and happy designing.